I took one trade today. I took one little call scalp on QQQ, and I did it right here. Granted, this was I don't like trading the first 4 or 5 candles, but my system was activated in the first 3 candles, so according to the system I take it. Right here, this daily bounce level here, this was a level from way back in July, so it was going to be retesting this since it had been above. I was looking to, this had already been kind of an aggressive sell down, so this had a couple of potentials I was looking for it to do, the first of which was kind of bounce and rebound back up and retest the opening print, test, bounce here, just make a little kind of a move back up and then continue the downtrend, which is what ended up happening, and I had planned for that. The third option was it completely blow this level way down here, and my plan for that was if it closed below the level, I stop and I look for another entry on a retest to trend back down. So it came down and kissed this level just about to the penny and climbed up about 60 cents. So my QQQ contracts actually moved like 35-40% in there, which is pretty good. But I did not sell it at the top. I was watching the price action, and every time it would come up into the 8860s, it would just kind of aggressively sell back down. Every little pop-up was getting sold off, so that was my cue to exit. And trim there, stop at break even, stopped out right here. All over and done within about 2 minutes. Not bad for, by the time my contract closed out, it ended up being like 25% on a scalp, but over a couple of minutes, I'll take that. It's not a bad way to start. And then my normal job got in the way, so I put the chart down and didn't look at it again until just now. And it looks like just a down day, just a sell down day. Pretty smooth, actually. Once it kind of set this, you could see that followed that line, that trend line, pretty well down. I don't think there was anything else in here really that fit my system. Yes, it did. This one here, this close below the daily here, that would have confirmed my reject. So that would have been enter on this candle, stop above daily, and then just basically trail this down, because it had on this one basically had confirmed a downtrend, and it never would have stopped out. Really, here I probably would have here on pre-market low, because I would have kept it real tight. It would have been this candle, would have been my stop. If I didn't take all of my profit down here at prior day close, it would hit every one of those levels on the way down. So I played contratrend. I played it very tight. I did not leave a lot of room for error, and I followed my plan to cut trim when it wasn't making me feel so confident anymore, and set the rest at break even. So fairly calm, kind of stress-free trade day. I think I'm going to keep watching QQQ. I traded SPY yesterday. I did not make a video for it because I fell asleep. Oops. Getting old sucks. But I did not make a video for my SPY trade yesterday. That was I traded SPY yesterday because my system confirmed on SPY before QQQ, and by the time I had been out of my SPY trade, I was pretty well emotionally spent for trading for the day. I'd call it quits after that. I didn't want to risk giving anything back, especially with that was a bit nerve-wracking. Coming down from trading QQQ the previous day, the contracts on the Qs move much quicker than SPY does, so I have to be much quicker on my execution, which is part of my dilemma of waiting. I'm not good at waiting on SPY, and I need to be better at waiting if I want to be lethal on SPY like this system is, if I can follow it. So we will try again tomorrow. If it confirms, it confirms. If it does not, I do not have to trade tomorrow. I've had a couple of pretty good days in a row. I would like to continue that trend, but I am not going to force something just to see another green on my calendar.